The reason that I have books up here to like display my ties is because I use books in my packaging.
Oh, okay.
So what I do is I actually make my own washi tape instead of buying new tape, and what I do is I take regular Scotch tape and I apply it onto books, apply a little bit of pressure, peel it off. I know it's crazy, right? And then put it on, and then I take that same book and I cut it up, and that's what goes on the inside of the boxes.
Hold the phone.
Yeah.
You're making custom tape?
Yeah.
So, okay. But the tape is, it's more design, not function.
Right,
Tape.
yeah, no,
Okay,
it's
okay.
just design, not function. And this is,
yeah.
yeah, this isn't like, this isn't really function either, but I like, it's like getting a little gift, you
Yeah.
know. I'm very, like, I love design, I love designing things, like, from like the tie itself to the packaging.
Yeah.
And this was another just like a problem solving thing, like, well, washi tape is super expensive, and I have so
What
many
is
books.
washi tape?
It looks like this, and
Oh.
it's like masking tape with like designs on it.
Okay, okay.
And I have all these books, and I love the way it looks, and then I can use the same paper from the books to cut up and put as stuffing in here.
Right.